Hi everybody, Mrs. Ramey using her phone for a video today, and you'll see why. So the quality is a little different. I'm sorry, but I can't use Screencastify on my computer and show you how to use it at the same time. So here we go. Okay, so in order to present your project to me, you're going to use Screencastify. So if you don't already have it up at the top of your computer, it'll be this like pinky peachy arrow with a video recorder in it and the Screencastify video recorder. If you don't already have that, you're going to need to get it. So you're going to go into a new tab and you're going to type in extensions for Chrome. Leave it there so you can copy that. Okay, you can pause the video too. Chrome Web Store, extensions, and something like this will pop up. Usually looks like this on the side. Chrome Web Store. Search the store. You're going to type in Screencastify. Hit enter. And this will pop up. And this is the one you want, Screencastify. It's going to look like this. Now, I already have it, so I can't add it again, but you'll see a blue button that says add to Chrome, and that's what you'll click. Okay, now once you have it up at the top of your bar here, this will pop up when you go to use it. You can choose to use a browser tab only, which means it'll record whatever tab you have open at the top. I don't like that one as much. Desktop, which is the one I really like, because then you guys can see everything I'm doing on my computer, no matter what tab I'm on. It just follows you through whatever I'm doing on my computer. This is the one that I like because it also allows you to embed the webcam. So if I choose desktop, I'm going to get out of this one. I'm going to go to here. This is the project you're going to be working on, by the way. So I'm going to go to this tab. I'm going to go to my Screencastify. I'm going to click desktop. I have my microphone ready to go. I have my webcam ready to go. Now I'm a hot mess because I just woke up and I'm doing this for you, but so don't mind me, okay? And then I'm going to click record. Now it asks you if you want to do your entire screen, and yes you do, and then you hit share and it counts you down. 3, 2, 1. I'm over here in this corner, okay, and then I've got my screen that I'm going to share with you. So when you're doing this, you're going to get to your slideshow, then you're going to hit present and record, and you'll walk me through your presentation just like I'm going to do. Okay, pretty easy. Now the next option, so then it takes you to your Screencastify and it saves to your Google Drive. Up here is where you're going to want to label the recording, your name, Walk 2 Moons Project. That works. But I'm going to delete this because I don't need that one. It was your example. So see all of my recordings. Saves it for me. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my project. I'm going to hit Screencastify. This is option 2. If you don't like being on the camera, hit webcam only. So your microphone, or I'm sorry, not webcam only. Whoop, forget that. Desktop. Your microphone is marked. Click the embed webcam and the webcam will go away. So you'll do the same thing. Click the desktop, click share. 3, 2, 1. Notice Mrs. Ramey is no longer down here in the corner. So you'll be able to hear me on my presentation, but you won't be able to see me. This is probably a better option for a lot of you, simply because then you're just talking to the computer screen and you can take us through your project and you're not worried about seeing yourself in the corner. Okay, so that's how you do or present your projects once you're done with it. Okay, now the other option for Screencastify that I'm going to show you is webcam only. Now, you're not going to use this for this project, but if you ever want to record something for somebody, one of us or another teacher in the future, and there's nothing to show them on your computer, you would choose webcam only, and it literally just has the webcam, okay, like a screen video. So that's the best way to use Screencastify for future projects. So don't just use the camera on the Chromebooks. Use Screencastify so that it saves it into your Google Drive, and if anyone ever needs it, you always have a backup. Okay, so I'm going to X out of that, and hopefully that is helpful for you. Oh, there we go. And how to present your project to me. All right, see you later.